and deception, your confession, please. When will you try to run? When will you try to leave? How long does it take for me to see what you are hiding underneath those dreams? You think deeper, so much deeper than the average guy. You know the answer to every little question I could try to ask if you would try to figure out. And I wonder if your secret will ever come out. I'll break and I'll burn, but at least I'll learn. You'll always be the same, an everlasting flame. And I try so hard to decode you, and it's just so hard to get close to you. And I wish that I could have told you, but it's just so hard to decode you. Every little move's an underlying thought. You know exactly what you're doing. Maybe you're just caught in the middle of a war that you can't control. He didn't even tell you to the day before. He might seem to be strong, but underneath you're vulnerable and sensitive, and I can see it might be deeper than I can comprehend. But I guess the least that I can do is try and try to decode you. And it's just so hard to get close to you. And I wish that I could have told you, but it's just so hard to decode you. And all I wanted was to decode you. With a shotgun for a tongue, you could fool anyone. With a shotgun for a tongue, you could fool anyone. Those skills of persuasion